When you open a file on the Dropbox website, you'll see the comment pane on the right side of the screen. If someone's already left a comment, you'll see it in the pane. If you want to leave a new comment, type it in the text box, then click Post. Here, we're going to tag Sarah so she receives a notification. When tagging someone, just type @ and the beginning of that person's name. If that person is in your contact, an autocomplete option is shown. If not, you can type the @ symbol followed by their email address to notify them. Then, the tagged user will receive a notification letting them know they've been tagged. Done with comments? Resolve them with one click. You can also leave annotations directly in a file, which is great if you want to point out something specific. At the bottom of your screen, select Comment on Specific Areas from the gray bar. Then, click and drag over the area you want to comment on. You can also tag someone. With Dropbox, you won't need additional software to leave annotations in PDFs, photos, or even Photoshop files. Everything can be done right in the uploaded file.